You know, using Grok for simple navigation, just like one destination, is like a waste of time. You're easier just using the command to send the navigation there, or to any address you're heading to. It's easier just to use the voice command for it. But where I find Grok comes in handy is for more complex things. Go ahead and knock this out here. I'm doing Uber and Lyft here. I'm in McAllen, so I can go over here and say, "Hey, yeah, I'm here, driving around McAllen, Texas here. I want to kind of circle the downtown area of McAllen within a 6-mile radius. Can you set me up a route with like 6 or 7 stops to give me a 6-mile radius around downtown McAllen for me, please?"
Sure. I've set up a route circling downtown McAllen with 7 stops. Downtown McAllen, McAllen Heritage Center, McAllen Convention Center, McAllen Performing Arts Center, the 17th Street Entertainment District at the Yard, Quinta Mazatlan, and La Plaza Mall. It's about 4.6 miles total, with an ETA around 220 pounds PM. Should give you that 6-mile radius feel.
Thank you. Since I'm doing Uber and Lyft, I'm looking for rides. Can you do another route? Get rid of this route and just find me what you think would be good hot spots for ride requests for Uber. About 5 different spots, please. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it, but the route got aborted. Want me to set it up again?
Yes, please.
Route set with 6 stops around downtown McAllen. McAllen Heritage Center, Convention Center, Performing Arts Center.
Okay, that's what you did before. I wanted you to do a different routing here. 5 different stops, best places you think rides might pop up doing Uber and Lyft for me to pick up to drive people. I keep losing connection.
Sorry about that. Connection spotty. But the route set with those 6 stops circling downtown.
Okay, yeah. Get rid of those 6 stops downtown and let's set up 5 stops on Uber hotspots where I might get rides from. I think I broke Grock.
Got the old route canceled. New one set with 5 Uber hotspots. McAllen International Airport, La Plaza Mall, McAllen Hidalgo International Bridge, the Yard Entertainment Spot, and Wyndham Garden Hotel. About 13 minutes total from here.
Thank you. Goodbye. So yeah, using Grok for the navigation for a little more complex stuff works pretty good. And those are pretty good hotspots for this area for Uber and Lyft. But yeah, that's one of the powers of Grok AI, using it for the navigation. As far as going to a particular direct location, it's easier just using the voice command. But for going sightseeing places you don't know, it's great. For wanting to circle a city, it's great. Or see all the hotspots in the city. It makes it really nice. Well, I wonder if it can help me. I wonder if it can, find houses for sale in the jungle. Let's try that. Hey, we're here in McAllen. Real quick, I'm trying to look for a house to buy. Can you navigate to some addresses of houses that are for sale in the area?
I found some real estate offices with houses for sale nearby in McAllen.
Well,
I
don't want to, go to real estate offices. I want you to, access and find what ones are being listed for sale, and let's do a drive-by of those addresses.
Got some houses for sale listed on Zillow and others in McAllen, like 913 North 5th Street.
Okay, can you navigate to those?
Sure. I can navigate to those houses for sale. Pick one to start with, like 913 North 5th.
Just set them all up.
Unknown caller.
Oh, got a scam call coming in, interrupting. Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is Hannah Walker. I'm with U.S. Funeral Expenses. How are you doing today?
I am fine.
Okay, I'm with U.S. Funeral Expenses, and based on our records, it shows that you may qualify for a state-regulated final expense insurance plan. That's going to cover 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expense. How old are you?
65.
Okay, do you smoke or chew tobacco?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any major or minor health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, dementia, or even cancer?
No.
I'm glad to hear that. Hold on just a second. Let me get one of our insurance specialists on the phone, okay?
I guess.
Is that okay?
I guess, yeah.
Okay. It will only take a few seconds to connect your call. Please stay with me.
I'm trying to.
Okay. Hear me now?
Yes.
Great. How's the weather where you're at?
Okay.
I'm sorry, what was that?
It's okay.
Okay. Hi. Thank you for holding on. This is Alaska Jake. How are you today?
Okay, ma'am, I will take over this call. Thank you so much for holding on. My name is Daniel. How are you doing today so far?
Oh,
so
that's
far, so good.
Not your name.
I'm sorry?
Going by your accent, that's not your name.
My English is a little bit over the phone. That's why, my accent is totally changed.
Yes, the Slurpee machine is broken. You need to fix that, please. Scammers are waste of time. Anyway, I got this Uber ride here, going to go pick up, so I'm going to handle that. But it's nice that it can go in and pull addresses from a website that are for sale, and you can do a drive-by for different addresses to look at houses. It saves you a lot of legwork yourself. I guess I could probably even expand it and say, give it a price range, see if it could do that. But yeah, play with it. Have fun. Have a good day.